Hey there, foodies! Today, we're diving into the world of exotic cuisine with a truly unique dish, banana leaf wrapped turtle meat. Let's start by marveling at the sheer uniqueness of banana leaf wrapped turtle meat. This rare delicacy is not something you come across every day, making it a special treat for adventurous food enthusiasts like us. Now, imagine the art of using banana leaves to wrap turtle meat for cooking. It's a fascinating concept that adds a whole new dimension to the culinary experience. But, as with any exotic dish, there are challenges and controversies surrounding the consumption of turtle meat. Some may raise concerns about sustainability and ethics. However, wrapping it in banana leaves can address some of these issues by infusing the meat with flavors and preserving its moisture. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of preparing this extraordinary dish. The process involves marinating the turtle meat, seasoning it to perfection, and most importantly, using banana leaves to impart a unique flavor profile. And here comes the climax, the big reveal of the final dish. Picture a tantalizing aroma wafting through the air, the burst of flavors on your taste buds, and the visually stunning presentation of banana leaf wrapped turtle meat. It's a feast for all the senses. In conclusion, cooking and indulging in this dish is not just about the flavors, it's about embracing a cultural experience. The blend of tradition and taste makes it a truly unforgettable culinary journey. Now, I encourage all of you to step out of your comfort zones and explore new exotic dishes like banana leaf wrapped turtle meat. Share your thoughts on unique food experiences in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more culinary adventures. Until next time, happy cooking and happy eating!